Rope secured?
Yeah, check the knots twice.
Poles are racked. Ready to push off.
Hold it right there by the cypress knee.
Yeah, I got him. Looks like a solid 10-footer.
One Crocodile, $3,000 bags. Watch how they catch it. Keep the tension, pull left now.
Watch the tail, watch the tail.
Rope secure, moving to the snout. Wrap the midsection, make sure it's snug.
Ropes are clear, tail is secure.
Final check on the jaw. Looks good for transport.
Woohoo! Great haul today.
All right, engage the hoist, slow lift.
Confirmed, hoist engaged. Clear the area.
Head secured, lifting now.
Clear. Scan the tag for the entry log.
Check the scales near the tail. Blemish right here.
Noted. The thickness is consistent across the board.
Only 30% is perfect enough for luxury bags.
Ready? Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch the side.
"72 hours of chemical transformation, turning hide into leather."
Only grade A. Perfect scale pattern, perfect color. BRAHMIN accepts nothing less.
47 quality points. Inspected on every single bag before leaving the facility.
New York, 5th Avenue scanned.
Confirmed. Next is Rodeo Drive.
This exotic leather is hand-selected, and the bag is meticulously crafted in our factory in Massachusetts.
The scale pattern is
From the Louisiana bayou to Madison Avenue, American luxury, American craftsmanship. BRAHMIN.